Have you ever noticed how many vegetable gardens start looking empty by the middle of August? Beds that were overflowing with food just weeks earlier suddenly have gaps where peas, beans, or early potatoes once grew. Many gardeners see those empty spaces as a sign that the season is ending. In reality, those bare beds are an opportunity. August is one of the most productive months of the year for vegetable gardening because it allows you to grow a second round of crops that actually prefer the cooler weather ahead. Instead of struggling through summer heat, these vegetables mature as temperatures become milder, giving you sweeter flavors, healthier plants, and harvests that can continue well into autumn and in some regions, even through winter. The secret isn't planting more vegetables. It's planting the right vegetables at the right time. Before choosing seeds, start by finding your area's average first frost date. Compare that date with the days to maturity listed on each seed packet. Then add an extra week or two because plants naturally slow down as daylight becomes shorter. This simple calculation helps you decide exactly what will have enough time to mature before winter arrives. Another advantage of August planting is the soil itself. After months of summer sunshine, the ground is warm, which encourages fast germination. At the same time, cooler nights reduce stress on young plants, and many common garden pests begin to decline. These conditions often make late summer planting easier than spring gardening. Before we dive in, if you find value in what we share, consider subscribing and turning on that bell. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best crops for late summer planting because it performs far better in cool weather than in heat. Spring-grown spinach often bolts quickly once temperatures rise, but August plantings develop during cooling weather, producing thick, tender leaves with outstanding flavor. Most varieties are ready in about 40 to 45 days, making spinach an excellent choice for gardeners hoping to harvest fresh greens by early autumn. Sow seeds about ½ an inch deep and fertile, while drained soil rich in compost. Space seeds 1 inch apart, then thin seedlings to 4 inches once they begin growing. If your soil is still very warm, water the bed during the evening before planting. High temperatures can delay germination, so cooler soil improves your success. Harvest the outer leaves first while leaving the center untouched. This keeps the plant producing for several weeks instead of giving you only one harvest. In regions with mild winters, spinach protected beneath mulch or a row cover often survives until spring, providing one of the earliest harvests of the following year. Number 2. Lettuce. If you've struggled to grow lettuce during summer, you're not alone. High temperatures make lettuce bitter and encourage it to bolt long before it reaches full size. August solves that problem because the plants mature during cooler weather. Plant a combination of loose leaf, butterhead, and romaine varieties to enjoy different textures and harvest times. Lettuce seeds should be planted only 1/4 inch deep because they need light for strong germination. Keep the surface consistently moist until seedlings appear. Leaf lettuce can be harvested within about 30 days, while heading varieties usually need 50 to 60 days. A useful trick is to sow a short row every 10 days instead of planting everything at once. This simple method gives you continuous harvests instead of one large crop. As temperatures continue falling, floating row covers or cold frames can extend production for several additional weeks. Number 3. Radishes. Few vegetables reward you faster than radishes. Some varieties mature in less than a month, making them perfect for filling empty spaces left behind by harvested summer crops. Cool weather also improves their flavor. Instead of becoming woody or overly spicy, fall-grown radishes stay crisp, juicy, and pleasantly mild. Plant seeds ½ an inch deep and about 1 inch apart in loose soil. Once seedlings emerge, thin crowded plants so roots have room to expand properly. Consistent watering is essential. Long dry periods followed by heavy watering often cause roots to split. Harvest promptly once they reach full size. Waiting too long usually produces tougher, less flavorful radishes. If you have a longer growing season, consider planting winter radishes such as daikon. They require around 60 days but tolerate cold remarkably well and can remain in the ground beneath mulch until needed. Number 4. Arugula. Arugula deserves much more attention in the fall vegetable garden. This fast-growing leafy green develops a smoother, more balanced flavor during cool weather than it does in summer. Its peppery taste becomes milder, making it perfect for fresh salads. Most varieties begin producing baby leaves within 3 weeks. Scatter seeds lightly over prepared soil or plant them in shallow rows about 1/4 inch deep. Once seedlings appear, thin them enough to improve airflow and reduce disease. Instead of harvesting the entire plant, snip the outer leaves while leaving the center intact. This cut-and-come-again method encourages repeated harvests from the same plants. Planting a small section every couple of weeks throughout August provides a steady supply of fresh greens well into autumn. Number 5. Beets. Beets are one of the most productive vegetables you can plant because they offer 2 different harvests from a single crop. Young leaves make excellent cooking greens, while mature roots become sweeter as temperatures fall. Most beet varieties are ready in 50 to 60 days. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep and 1 inch apart in loose, compost-enriched soil. Remember that each beet seed often produces several seedlings. Thin them carefully until plants stand about 3 inches apart, and don't discard the extras. Those thinnings are delicious in salads or stir-fries. Beets prefer consistent moisture, especially while roots are developing. Mulching around the plants helps conserve water and suppress weeds during the remaining warm weeks of summer. Mature beets can stay in the ground beneath mulch until late autumn or be stored for months in a cool, humid location. Number 6. Carrots. Many experienced gardeners believe autumn carrots are the sweetest carrots of the year. They're right. As temperatures approach freezing, carrot plants naturally convert stored starches into sugars that protect their roots from cold damage. The result is a noticeably sweeter flavor. Because carrots need around 70 to 80 days to mature, plant them as early in August as possible. Choose loose, stone-free soil so roots grow long and straight. Sow seeds only 1/4 inch deep because they're very small. Keep the soil evenly moist until seedlings emerge. One professional trick is covering the seeded row with damp burlap or a wooden board. This helps retain moisture during germination. Remove the cover as soon as seedlings appear. Thin young carrots until they're about 2 inches apart. Avoid over-fertilizing with nitrogen, which encourages leafy tops instead of strong roots. After the first few frosts, harvest a few carrots and compare their flavor with summer-grown roots. The difference often surprises gardeners. Number 7. Turnips. Turnips are one of the easiest vegetables to grow for a fall harvest, yet they're often overlooked. That's a mistake because they provide 2 harvests from one planting. The leafy tops are excellent for cooking, while the roots become sweeter as temperatures decline. Most turnips mature in about 50 to 60 days, although the greens can be picked much sooner. Sow seeds about 1/2 inch deep in loose, fertile soil and thin seedlings until plants stand 4 to 6 inches apart. Water consistently to encourage smooth, tender roots. For gardeners who enjoy fresh salads, Japanese salad turnips are an excellent choice. Their small white roots stay crisp, juicy, and mild enough to eat raw. Larger storage varieties can remain in the ground beneath mulch until needed, giving you fresh vegetables well into late autumn. Number 8. Broccoli. Many gardeners struggle with broccoli in spring because warming temperatures cause plants to flower too quickly. Fall planting often produces much better results. As broccoli matures during cool weather, it develops tighter, denser heads with noticeably better flavor. Because broccoli usually needs around 60 to 70 days to mature, transplants are the best option for most regions. Plant them in fertile soil enriched with compost, spacing each plant about 18 inches apart. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially while the central head is forming. Harvest the main head before the flower buds begin opening. Don't pull the plant afterward. Most broccoli varieties continue producing smaller side shoots for several weeks, extending your harvest with very little extra effort. Number 9. Cabbages. Like broccoli, Cabbage thrives when it grows during cool weather rather than summer heat. Strong, steady growth allows plants to develop firm, compact heads with excellent flavor and texture. Set healthy transplants into rich, well-drained soil about 18 to 24 inches apart. Cabbage appreciates regular watering and benefits from a layer of mulch that helps conserve moisture and reduce weed growth. Continue checking plants for cabbage worms, even though pest pressure usually declines later in the season. One advantage of fall cabbage is its impressive cold tolerance. Healthy heads withstand several frosts without losing quality, allowing you to harvest when convenient instead of all at once. Stored in a cool location, many cabbage varieties remain fresh for weeks, making them one of the most dependable vegetables for autumn gardening. Number 10. Swiss chard. If you're looking for a vegetable that keeps producing for months, Swiss chard deserves a place in your garden. Unlike vegetables harvested once, Swiss chard continuously produces new leaves from the center of the plant. Simply remove the oldest outer leaves while leaving the growing point untouched. The plant replaces what you've harvested again and again. Sow seeds about 1 inch deep and thin seedlings until they're roughly 1 foot apart. Swiss chard tolerates both lingering summer warmth and chilly autumn nights, making it one of the most reliable crops in the garden. Many gardeners continue harvesting fresh leaves well into winter, and in mild climates the same plants often begin producing again the following spring. Number 11. Mustard greens. Mustard greens are another excellent choice for late summer planting because they grow quickly and improve as the weather cools. They're usually ready to harvest within 30 to 40 days. Plant seeds shallowly in fertile soil and keep the bed evenly moist during germination. Once plants become established, harvest the larger outer leaves first. This encourages continuous new growth. Cool temperatures soften mustard's naturally spicy flavor, while light frosts make the leaves even sweeter. Fresh, cooked, or preserved, mustard greens provide a dependable supply of nutritious leafy vegetables when many other crops have already finished. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic is slightly different from every other crop on this list. You're planting it for next year's harvest. Late summer is the perfect time to prepare because quality seed garlic often sells out early. Choose a sunny location with excellent drainage and mix plenty of compost into the soil before planting. A few weeks before the ground freezes, separate the bulb into individual cloves and plant each one about 2 inches deep with the pointed end facing upward. Space cloves approximately 6 inches apart. Cover the bed with several inches of straw or shredded leaves after planting. The cloves establish roots before winter, rest through the cold months, then resume rapid growth in spring, producing large bulbs the following summer. Preparing your garlic bed in August ensures you're ready when planting time arrives. A simple August planting system. Growing a productive fall garden isn't about planting everything on the same day. Instead, let your garden guide the process. Walk through your beds every week during August and identify crops that are finishing. As soon as one area becomes available, remove old plants, spread a layer of compost, loosen the soil, and sow another crop immediately. August isn't the end of the gardening season. It's the month that determines whether your harvest stops with summer or continues deep into autumn. Warm soil encourages quick germination. Cooler nights improve flavor. Reduced pest pressure makes growing easier. And many cool season vegetables actually become sweeter after the first frost. That's why experienced gardeners rarely leave an empty bed in August. Every cleared space becomes another opportunity to grow fresh food. Whether you choose spinach, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, garlic, or all 12 vegetables we've covered today, planting now can reward you with weeks or even months of additional harvests. So before you put away your gardening tools, take another walk through your vegetable garden. Look for empty spaces. Refresh the soil with compost. Choose the crops that fit your growing season. Then plant with confidence. Your summer harvest may be winding down, but your best harvest of the year could be just getting started. If you enjoyed this August planting guide, let us know in the comments which vegetables you're adding to your fall vegetable garden this year. And if you want more practical vegetable gardening tips and seasonal growing guides, subscribe and join us for the next video. Happy gardening!